By the end of this video, you will learn about the different types of development technologies used in AR. As you are developing experiences in Meta Spark, Unity, or Play Canvas, there are different technologies you can use, in addition to your development platform, when building your experience. One development technology you might run into while writing your scripts is Visual Studio Code for enhanced interactivity. Meta Spark Player is a separate software that can be combined with the actual device you're developing for. Maya and Blender are two other development technologies. These offer three-dimensional software to use in combination with your development platform when developing an experience. The Adobe Creative Suite is another set of development technologies that can be used alongside Meta Spark, Unity, or Play Canvas. As the world continues to evolve, the different pieces of software will be able to communicate more easily with one another, and standardized formats will become available to developers. In terms of evolution, we can expect more artificial intelligence-powered tools that will assist in making the process of development significantly easier.